Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import your Google Chrome saved passwords right into 1Password. So the first thing we're going to do is show you how to, let's say, export your password from Google Chrome. Once you're inside Chrome, go ahead and click your three dots on the upper right hand side. And here you'll find the options password and autofill. Once you hover over that, click on Google Password Manager right here. Now you want to click on settings on the left side, scroll down and you will see a section that says export password. You click on download and it's going to download your passwords for you into a CSV file. As you can see here, I can save this on my computer, and so I'm going to go ahead and click and save right here, and you can see right here that I already have it saved, and so it's just basically making a copy of that, right? So once you have that now guys saved on your PC, you want to open up your admin console for 1Password, and once you're there, click the account on the upper right hand side and then click on import data. From here, you want to go ahead and choose browsers. You will see Google Chrome in the list. Click on Google Chrome, then you scroll down, click on continue from the right side. Now choose the vault that you want to import passwords to, then click on continue. From here, click on select a file, choose a CSV file, click on open, then click on continue. From here, proceed to uploading the file, and you'll be able to upload and basically save those passwords right into 1Password, and it's going to be stored within the vault that you choose. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.